Are you tired of that stubborn belly fat that just won't go away, no matter how much you diet or exercise? What if I told you there's one simple morning habit that can fire up your metabolism, help your body burn fat all day long, and is actually backed by science? The best part, it's quick, easy, and doesn't involve grueling workouts or starving yourself. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm your friendly health guide, and today I'm going to walk you through a 3-step morning routine that targets the real reasons belly fat is so hard to lose. Things like high cortisol levels, insulin resistance, inflammation, and a sluggish metabolism. This method works regardless of whether you're dealing with thyroid problems, PCOS, or just stubborn weight that hasn't budged in years. It's safe, natural, and most importantly, it's doable for anyone. Step 1: Morning Sunlight Boost. The first step is surprisingly simple. As soon as you wake up, step outside and get 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight. I know, it sounds almost too easy, but research backs this up. A study from the University of Alberta in Canada found that people who regularly got morning sun between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. had lower body mass indexes and found it easier to lose weight. Why? Because morning sunlight is rich in blue wavelength light, which interacts with the fat just under your skin, called subcutaneous white adipose tissue. This is the very fat that tends to cling to your belly. The light actually helps shrink these fat cells and reduces the amount of fat they store. So, those 10 to 15 minutes in the sun aren't just good for your mood, they're actively signaling your body to burn more fat. Step 2: Quick morning movement. Now that the sunlight has woken up your fat-burning potential, let's turn up the heat. Step 2 is a quick 5 to 10 minute workout. We're not talking about a 5-mile run or a hardcore HIIT session here. Just something to get your blood flowing and metabolism fired up. Here's a simple combo. Jumping jacks 30 seconds, squats 10 to 15 reps, push-ups 5 to 10 reps, repeat that 2 to 3 times. If you can't do those, just try light jogging in place or marching in place for 5 minutes. This short burst of activity tells your body, we're in fat-burning mode. Let's stay here. Step 3: The fat-burning morning tea. Now comes the part that keeps your metabolism humming all day long. It's a warm, soothing, fat-burning tea that's loaded with natural ingredients proven to support weight loss. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon freshly grated ginger juice from 1/2 a lemon, a pinch of black pepper. How to make it. Warm the water, not boiling, just pleasantly warm. Add all the ingredients to the cup. Stir well and sip slowly over 5 to 10 minutes. Why this works? Apple cider vinegar supports blood sugar control and helps you feel full. Turmeric fights inflammation and helps with fat metabolism. Ginger improves digestion and revs up calorie burning. Lemon gives you vitamin C and supports liver detox. Black pepper increases the absorption of turmeric's active compound, curcumin. Drink this after your workout and sunlight session, and try to wait about an hour before breakfast. When you do eat breakfast, make it high in protein. Something like a protein smoothie, eggs, or Greek yogurt with berries. And that's it. 3 simple steps. Morning sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes, a short burst of movement, a warm cup of fat-burning tea. Do this every morning for at least 7 to 10 days, and you'll start noticing changes, not just in your belly, but in your energy, digestion, and mood. Stick with it for 2 weeks, pair it with a balanced diet, and you'll be amazed at the results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share this with someone who's been struggling with stubborn belly fat.